Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to average data based on weekday or weekend. Supposing there are two columns in a worksheet, one contains dates and the other contains number values, as you can see. How can you average the numbers based on the weekday or weekend in Excel? In this tutorial, I will introduce some formulas to quickly solve this job. Here I have two formulas that can quickly average values based on weekday or weekend in another cell. Select a cell which you will place the formula and result at and type the following formula. Start with the weekday function. It returns a number from 1 to 7 identifying the day of the week of a date. Press tab. For the serial number, select range A2 to A20, which is the range of date cells, comma. For the return type, enter 2. Close the bracket, uh, enter less than 6, and multiply this value or formula with the uh, range B2 to B20, which is the range of numbers you want to average. Close the bracket and use the sum function. It adds all the numbers in a range of cells. Press tab. Close the bracket and divide the result by sum of the weekdays. Start with the sum function. Press tab. 1 times the weekdays. Type weekdays. Press tab. Select range A2 to A20. Close the bracket. Before that, type comma. Enter 2 and close the bracket. Less than 6. Close the bracket. Again close the bracket for the sum function. And press shift control enter keys simultaneously. And if you want to average values by weekend, you can use the following formula. Then start with the weekday function. Select your date range, comma, enter 2, close the bracket, greater than 5, and again multiply this value with the range B2 to B20, B2 to B20, close the bracket and sum this range. Press tab. At the end, just close the bracket and divide the result by sum of the weekdays. Sum, press tab. 1 times weekday, press tab. A2 to A20 for the serial number, comma, 2, close the bracket, greater than 5, close the bracket, again close the bracket, and press the shift control enter keys. And both formula are the same, but only we use less than 6 for calculating the average of weekday, and we use greater than 5 for calculating the average of weekend. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.